What has been your best technique for the ones that, names may have been forgotten, during conversation, or, just in general asking, like, what is your best method in, re-asking somebody what their name is, or even pronouncing it for them?
Let's do the combo. First, prior to using the military alphabet to ensure it's a B or a D, Bravo, Delta, it's you got to use that. And prior to that, saying, Daniel, your last name is very exotic and wonderful, and I really would prefer to pronounce it correctly for you. Would you please, pronounce it for me? Because like in Spanish, the H doesn't have a sound and the vowels are a little bit different. And that's okay. I've let my agents write out words phonetically so they say it properly, but still know how to spell it. But yes, these exotic names, when most people guess or they have emails bounce back and place the blame on someone because they were born somewhere in the world where that's a common name, that's not fair. And they're almost expecting you to talk about the white elephant in the room, my 20-letter name with 5 X's in it. How do you pronounce it? And it's just, and it's amazing. Like, when I was a little boy, could you spell Chappaquiddick? Those are the fun things to do, or spell Mississippi. Those are some of the tough words.
Always doing this.
Come on, you remember in first grade, those are the tough words.
Oh, yeah.